so glad I was spared, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't wanna be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we have another on-feet look at the Nike Dunk Low What the Co.JP joints. These things shock drop, as you guys can see, one day last week, and they was only in Japan, and then all of a sudden, boom, shock drop, and these things really tanked in resale, to be honest with you. But nonetheless, we're going to give you guys the on-feet look like we always do. But before we get off into this detailed look, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. Follow me on Snapchat, NIG. Appreciate you guys. Now, as we take a look at the left sneaker, what the key thing is that both of these sneakers are different. I will say this, they executed very well with the what the theme. But as you guys can see right here, we have the left shoe that has a yellow, red, and orange base. On the other one, the right shoe, navy blue, white, and red base. So they did that pretty well. So let's go ahead and start with the left one. As you guys can see, we have that Nike swoosh. And look at that, man. The leather is pretty tumble on that Nike swoosh. Good leather. Good leather on the toe box right here. It doesn't come with two other sets of laces, so three laces in total, but the white stock laces in these things right here. But you have, like I said, two different vibes going on. We have the red and white on the left. We have the gold and blue on the right. And then as we go ahead and look at the right side of the sneaker, we have the white, red, and blue on this side of it. Looking at the back of both sneakers, we have an orange on the left, and then we have that red on the right sneaker. Looking at the interior of the sneaker, as you guys can see right here, super dope. And then on the left one, like I said, they did the theme really good. And as you guys can see right here on the tongues, it has the multicolor as well on the tongues, but I'll show you guys a closer look on that also. As far as sizing goes, I'm going to tell you guys to go true to size on your dunks. If it was an SB, I would say half a size up, but this is just a regular dunk. This is an 11.5, which is my traditional size, and it is absolutely spot on. So sizing, true to size. Comfortability wise, I'm going to tell you guys, dunks are okay in my opinion. Comfortability, I'm going to say probably I'm going to give it around a 6.5. I don't know, it's just something about dunks. I don't know. And I know they say it's close to Jordan 1s, but they just feel a little bit different to me. So like a 7. We're going to give it a solid 7 when it comes to comfortability. Now, as far as the overall ranking of this sneaker, again, I'm just not feeling this multi-colorway on this pair. I think they executed it very well. But I'm going to have to go ahead and give it a 6.5. Overall, in my opinion. Like I said, not just a terrible sneaker, but definitely not something that I could see myself messing with or rocking with all the time. But y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the box, and we're gonna close out this video. Let's go. All right, so here's the box, just your typical Nike box, your orange and white Nike box. The label is going to be right here. You guys can pause the video if y'all need to legit check it or not. As we open up the box, you just have the white paper in there. Quality control sticker is right there. That is it for the box. Now, when it comes to the shoes, just so you guys can know that this is the way the laces come on them. They come wrapped around the other laces. There's no lace bags or anything like that. This is how they come, pre-lace. And the material, like I said, in the on feet is pretty good. Y'all see the tumble leather on there. Just two totally different sneakers. The sock liners in the insoles have that Co.JP on there. The booty of these sneakers right here. But just all in all, man, not a bad sneaker by any means. Just not my cup of tea. But y'all comment down below and let me know what your thoughts and opinions about them. Y'all check out that toe box leather, as you guys can see right here. It's not bad at all, either sneaker. For 120 bucks, resale is not that crazy as well. But that is all I got for you guys today. Make sure y'all comment and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what your thoughts and opinions about this sneaker, and we're gonna catch y'all next video. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, that was hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers right here, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Hey, go on.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. KICKnology.